Welcome to Module 2.2, JSX Syntax and Features. JSX JavaScript XML is a crucial part of React development. It's an extension of JavaScript that allows you to define the structure and layout of your user interface. In this section, we'll dive into JSX syntax and its key features. 1. What is JSX? JSX is a syntax extension for JavaScript that allows you to write HTML-like code within your JavaScript files. It's not HTML, but a JavaScript representation of the UI. React components use JSX to describe what the user interface should look like. For example, here's a basic JSX snippet. Const element equals h1 hello, JSX h1 2, mixing JavaScript and JSX. One of the powerful features of JSX is the ability to embed JavaScript expressions within the code. You can use curly braces to include JavaScript code within JSX. This allows you to make your GUI dynamic and responsive to changes in data. Const name equals John. Const element equals h1 hello, name, h1. In this example, the name variable is injected into the JSX, allowing you to display a dynamic greeting. 3. JSX elements and components. JSX elements represent HTML tags and components. Components can be either function components or class components. Here's a simple JSX element. Const element equals h1 hello, JSX h1. And here's how you use a component within JSX. Const element equals my component greater than 4 self-closing tags. In JSX, tags can be self-closing, just like in HTML. For example, an im tag can be written as follows. Const image equals inges or c equals image. GPG alt equals an image. 5. Attributes and props. You can pass attributes to JSX elements just like in HTML. These attributes become props in the component. Const element equals input type equals text. Placeholder equals enter text greater than in the corresponding component. You can access these attributes as props. Function myComponentProps. Return input type equals props. Type placeholder equals props. Placeholder greater than 6. Conditional rendering. JSX allows you to conditionally render elements or components using JavaScript expressions. You can use the ternary operator or if statements to control what gets rendered based on your application state. Const isLoggedIn equals true. Const element equals isLoggedIn. User greeting per, guest greeting per. 7. Lists and keys. When rendering lists of elements, you can use the map function to transform data into an array of JSX elements. It's essential to provide a unique key prop to each item in the list to help React identify and efficiently update elements. Const numbers equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Const list items equals numbers. Map number equals greater than k equals number. Understanding JSX syntax and its features is crucial for working effectively with React. It allows you to describe your user interface in a way that closely resembles HTML, while taking full advantage of JavaScript's expressive power for dynamic UIs.